Hi, I'm Colby with WTI, and today I want to show you this spotlight lamp from Catalina Lighting. I love this lamp because lighting is so important to me. Our apartment doesn't have very many lights, so adding some lamps in some key locations can really change the feel of a room. This lamp is so good for that because it's compact, well designed, and can be placed in all sorts of locations. It's a pretty versatile lamp because it has some great mobility. You can point it in all sorts of different directions. You can even mount this lamp on the wall with its wall mount on the back. But I personally love just having it in different locations to add a little bit extra light. Paired with a smart light, this lamp is beautiful. So if you're looking to add a little bit of light and some style to your rooms, I recommend this spotlight lamp from Catalina Lighting. That's my point of view.